Hello and welcome to this course on getting started with Puppet Bolt. My name is Russell Smith and I'm an independent IT consultant, trainer and author. Puppet is a widely used cross-platform configuration management tool, but until recently it required an agent on all managed nodes and didn't work well in a serverless configuration. But that has all changed with the official release of Puppet Bolt. Bolt is an agentless remote task runner that allows organizations to quickly get started with configuration management, but without the overhead usually associated with Puppet. Bolt can run tasks in any language supported on the remote nodes, so you can use existing management scripts. It also allows you to orchestrate complex operations across multiple nodes, and optionally, it integrates with the full Puppet product. In this course, we'll look at how to install Bolt in Ubuntu Linux, how to run commands on remote Windows and Linux nodes, how to create Puppet modules with tasks. And finally, we'll create a plan to orchestrate tasks across multiple remote devices. Before starting this course, you should be familiar with basic administration of Windows and Linux, and preferably have some basic scripting experience. I hope you'll join me on this journey to discovering how Puppet Bolt can help you easily get started with configuration management.